Hey guys, it's Chris with Gray Market Safari. We're gonna draw some shit blinds today. And since it's winter time, if you're anywhere except where I am today, you're probably drowning in snow. So let's build a snowman. Do you want to build a snowman? I want to build a snowman. I think I should be able to actually do this blind. Frosty the Snowman had 3 segments to his body, and he had a hat up on his head, and I colored it improperly. You know, legally, if you think about it, like the magician, he throws away Frosty's, throws away the hat, and the kids take it. Like, it wasn't really clear that he actually got rid of that. I mean, that could have just been part of his act, you know, that like, oh yeah, this damn hat, this doesn't work, and the kids are like, nah, fuck that, it's ours now. We got it out of the trash, man. It's ours. And then Frosty shows up and he has fucking brain damage. Happy birthday! Oh shit, that movie is awful. Have you ever actually made a snowman with hands like this? Because that would be fucking terrifying. I once built a snowman that was like 7 or 8 feet tall and had horns and a beak and all kinds of other crazy shit. It was colored, not in a racist way, but we used like spray, food coloring spray. I'm gonna give him a rake because he's conquered fall. That's what snowmen do. They conquer fall. Plus, it kind of just looks like his hand anyway. It's like an extension of his own arm. Frosty's overcompensating. Hey, why did the snowman pull his pants down? Because he heard the snowblower was coming by. There we go. How to draw a snowman. Gray Market Safari. Happy January. Yeah, that's about right. Oh shit, just little corrections here and there. The buttons are spot on.